Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXGiants. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXGiants is an FCA-regulated forex broker that was founded in 2015 and is based in London. They offer a variety of trading bonuses, more than 300 tradable instruments, and flexible accounts, with competitive trading conditions and tight spreads. As an FXGiants client, you can enjoy commission-free trading, 24-hour customer support, personal multi-account managers, and free virtual private servers. They also offer a beginner-friendly proprietary copy trading platform that can be used to follow successful traders and copy their strategies without downloading any additional software. FXGiants offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate if you would like to learn more about the company history, the accounts and instruments they offer, as well as the platforms you can use with them. All you have to do is choose an option from the menu bar. The landing page highlights some of the advantages of trading with them, and there are direct account creation links with an account comparison table further down the page. You can also view live spreads for each instrument directly from the homepage. To view the contract specifications for each instrument they offer, you can click on the Markets tab and select an instrument from the drop-down menu. FXGiants currently offers more than 80 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. They also offer a variety of metals, indices, commodities, futures, and shares. If you have any questions about your accounts, the platforms, or anything else that you might need assistance with, you can visit the FAQ section or contact the FXGiants customer support team directly via live chat, email, or telephonically. The support team is available 24 hours a day, and they have received a great deal of positive feedback from their clients for delivering reliable customer support. With FXGiants, tight spreads are not the only advantage you will have as a client. They also offer plenty of trading bonuses, and you can earn up to $25 by opening and verifying your account. And you may also be eligible for 100% bonuses on your deposits. There is also a no deposit bonus offer that rewards you with an extra $10 for simply verifying your email address and $15 for verifying your phone number. Additionally, you can boost your trades with up to $4,000 with the FXGiants Booster Bonus. And they offer a unique bonus maximizer program. You can also participate in the Clash of the Giants trading competition, which will be running from the 11th of April to the 11th of June this year. And there is a $10,000 prize pool for clients who deposit a minimum of $250. FXGiants accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005. It comes with a variety of premium quality, built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. MetaTrader 4 can be downloaded at no cost from the official MetaTrader website. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, and more. FXGiants also offers personal multi-account manager software, which allows you to manage multiple MetaTrader 4 accounts with different strategies and expert advisor compatibility. This makes FXGiants a great option for traders or investors with more than one portfolio. FXGiants offers a total of 6 account types. If you are looking for an account with fixed spreads, then we recommend opening one of the 2 live accounts on offer. The Live Zero Fixed Spread account offers fixed spreads starting as low as 0 pips, and a maximum leverage of up to 1 to 500 is allowed, but a small commission fee is charged on trades. If you prefer to trade with no commission fees, but you would still like an account with fixed spreads, then we recommend opening a Live Fixed Spread account. The spreads on this account start at 1.2 pips. Its maximum leverage is 1 to 1000, and it is eligible for trading bonuses. You can also open a Live Floating Spread account to trade with 0 commission fees and tight spreads. The spreads on this account are variable, but they are lower than the spreads on the Live Fixed Spread account, and you can still enjoy commission-free trading, a 1 to 1000 leverage limit, and trading bonuses when you use this account. Alternatively, there are 3 STP and ECN accounts that you can open with FXGiants. The STP ECN accounts offer the lowest spreads, and there are 2 commission-free accounts. However, the leverage limit for all 3 STP ECN accounts is 1 to 200, and these accounts are not eligible for trading bonuses. If you would like to trade commission-free on one of the STP ECN accounts, then we recommend opening a STP ECN No Commission account with spreads starting at 1.7 pips, or a STP ECN Absolute Zero account with spreads starting as low as 0.2 pips. The STP ECN Zero spread offers spreads starting at 0 pips, but a small commission fee is charged on this account. The fee charged is significantly lower than the commission fees on the Live Zero Fixed Spread account, so we recommend this account if you are not looking for a high leverage account, and you simply want to trade with the lowest spreads possible. Once you have chosen your account type, you can fund your account using Visa, wire transfer, BitWallet, or UnionPay, and several base currencies are accepted, including Bitcoin. If you are not yet ready to open a live account and deposit real money, you can practice on a demo account in a risk-free trading environment using virtual funds. You also have the option of converting your account to a swap-free account that will not charge interest or rollover fees. You can also connect your account to the FXGiants Auto Trade platform, which can be used to automatically copy successful traders. No additional software is needed to use this platform, and it is beginner-friendly and easy to use. Creating an account with FXGiants may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the FXGiants homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. Once your account has been approved and verified, you can simply fund your account and start trading. The next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXGiants. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, you can find a wide variety of educational resources and guides online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you with everything you need to know about platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources and material, FXGiants provides their very own trading blog where you can stay up to date with the latest market news. They also provide helpful guides about investing, trading and using leverage. Overall, there are many advantages to trading with FXGiants, but what we like most about them is their ultra-low spreads, the commission-free accounts, and the variety of trading bonuses offered to their clients. FXGiants is a regulated, low-risk forex broker that is available in more than 150 countries worldwide, and they offer 24-hour customer support. We recommend this broker for beginners and high-volume traders, and FXGiants is a great option if you are looking for a MetaTrader 4 friendly broker with expert advisor compatibility and automated trading features. And that is our overview of FXGiants. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.